Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, responding to several comments that you have left me in relation to some videos that I have made. About that, before changing a sensor, it is convenient to clean it, because in many cases the problem is solved by cleaning it. Some of you have written to me that since you dismantle the sensor, it is still preferable to put a new one. Let's see, but if the sensor, the only problem it has, is that it is dirty, not that it is broken, why put in a new one? I'll give you an example. They brought us a Volkswagen Touran to the workshop, engine 2000 TDI, and the problem I had was that the turbo did not work. Here the problem occurred because the ECU had disconnected the turbo due to a problem with the MAP sensor. Look, this is the MAP sensor. We put it in the machine of diagnosis, and there are the errors that the machine gave us. The P0236, performance range of the circuit of the boost sensor A, of the turbocharger, supercharger, the P0238, circuit high of the sensor A, of the boost of the turbocharger, supercharger. These two failures in the MAP sensor are pressure failures, but the clue is given to us by the third P0113, high circuit of intake air temperature sensor 1. This is telling us that this sensor has problems with the pressure and you have problems with the air temperature. Normally, when this happens, it is not because the MAP sensor is bad. In most cases, it is because it is simply dirty. Look at this case. It is a 4-pin sensor. The 3-pin ones only give the air pressure in the intake manifold, and the 4-pin ones, in addition to giving the pressure, also give the temperature. Because they have a built-in IAT sensor, and, as I say, the only problem here, as you see, the sensor is dirty. Here it was enough to clean the inside of the sensor, and it worked again. It was not damaged, so I see it as a bit absurd to change a sensor, put a new one in it simply because it is dirty. For a workshop, this is more convenient. We buy the new sensor and change it, and that's it. But of course, in this way, cleaning a sensor, which is only dirty, because we save the client money, that's why we do it. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.